Skoda is celebrating its 130th anniversary by giving one of its most overlooked models a performance boost. Meet the new Fabia 130, the fastest factory-produced Fabia ever built. Designed to bring a little excitement to the brand's compact hatch lineup, this new addition takes the familiar Fabia Monte Carlo and adds a dose of speed and sportiness. But despite the improvements, it still falls short of the competition, especially the ever-popular Mini Cooper S. Under the hood, the Fabia 130 uses the same 1.5-liter TSI EVO2 engine as the Monte Carlo, but tuned for extra power. The small, turbocharged four-cylinder now delivers 175 horsepower, up from 148, while torque remains unchanged at 184 pound-feet. Skoda claims the Fabia 130 sprints from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds, shaving 0.6 seconds off its predecessor's time. Top speed also improves slightly, rising to 142 miles per hour. While those numbers make it the fastest Fabia ever, they still don't quite make it a true hot hatch. Performance tweaks extend beyond the engine. Skoda retuned the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission for quicker shifts and lowered the suspension by 15 millimeters for better handling. Steering calibration has also been refined to deliver more feedback through the 18-inch smoked-look Libra alloy wheels. Unfortunately for purists, there's no manual gearbox option. On the outside, the Fabia 130 flaunts sporty styling cues that set it apart from the standard Monte Carlo. The roof, pillars, and mirrors come in gloss black, contrasting against colors like moon white, velvet red, race blue, or black magic. Black spoilers at the front and rear, a matching rear diffuser, and red brake calipers complete the visual upgrade. Subtle 130 badges appear on the front fenders and rear hatch, while special door sills remind you that this isn't just another Fabia. Inside, it carries over the Monte Carlo's sporty aesthetic with improved trim materials. However, the biggest talking point is its price. At £29,995 in the UK, the Fabia 130 costs almost £3,000 more than the Monte Carlo, but faces stiff competition. The refreshed Mini Cooper S undercuts it slightly at £29,265, while offering 201 horsepower, a higher 150 mph top speed, and a quicker 0 to 62 mph time of 6.8 seconds. While the Fabia 130 is the quickest Skoda hatchback ever, it's clear that the brand's focus remains on balanced performance and value rather than pure speed. It's a fun, stylish, and refined compact car. But for those chasing true hot hatch thrills, the Mini Cooper S still leads the race.